In this video, we're going to talk about the basics of creating a heat map. So what we're going to do is we're going to take the chart button and drag that into our space. We're going to double click the chart button, and in the behavior tab, we're going to change the chart type from bar to heat map. We now need to give our group names for the x-axis and y-axis a name. If you can't think of a name, you can just call them X and Y. In the next tab, we need to decide our map size. Before we do that, however, it makes sense to change the field. We can drag an image into this space if we want our own custom shape or our own custom playing surface. However, we can also just use the default field types. We're going to use football for a soccer pitch. Now we can change the map size. Now imagine the columns and the rows as lines on the field. And this will decide the specificity of our plot points. So if I say, for example, do 30 columns and 20 rows, you can envision 30 lines going up and down vertically and 20 lines going horizontally across the field. Now that I've changed all the necessary settings, we can go into code mode. Now heat maps work like label buttons in that they apply themselves to an active code button. So if I select Hudl shot and then select somewhere on my heat map, that plot point will now exist. And if I look at this instance, let's say in the sorter, we can see those XY coordinates now are attached to that instance.